This same man, Everton radio so ni TV so. E catch the Ghana for you now say Oko Kejetia, Oko the circle. No bi koko wia phone na wo ho no mo ana so bi koko wia wade wo ho no mo a. Do you call
Ebusian for Ghana 7 TV GH message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification that anytime videos be say we upload there some come. Ebusian for Captain Smart ni small boy. Say ni small boy o say ni co-worker. Omu mienu na omu ye na omu ye show no onua. Wafa say me abetuja. According to Ono, we dey a home match, end this for omu match. Enti me dey me report here mam keke. Omu say or see national security for a BIM under John Mahama administration way. Omu ye heavily involved in galamsey. Nyemi na make on journalist no. How ye juma wo onuya no oneka. O say our evidence or proof nyina. O say national security ajo Mahama appointing no. Ko form wo a they say no mo eya na wako jampi obi wall, wako break obi door. Omu pipi for nkwa na omu nim se na omu chi omu no. O say ebi mu e wo omu ntem no mu ye galamsey. Na ene say ohini bi efa ka eko akra honum eko ka kiro mu say mi krom no ye galamsey wo mi so mi mpe galamsey no ente mu be bo amena mu nchi nkrofo na mu sisi excavators no yes national security force omu ni fuel omu ni fuel omu di be ko o akoy operation no. To the extent say ohini no ma omu 200 million 20,000 old currency. Esampe V8 baku 10 renti ma mu se mu de mu mbra keke na mbe pam galamsey for ene era dentia according to journalists we I say national security for no mafa ohini nechi akoji ska akoji ska kese ebru ni ohini no de ma omu nti omu kokochi obia ebusianfo we na ekosro John Mahama ban we mu national security we there your mom journalist for nebeka nyenye say MPP for neka obeka say MPP for no propaganda or mom journalist national security he said there's no hope. Just said the next 3.5 years AYɛKa kwenkwensa soloku kwenkwensa hey let's see the edit. The video is up next. Oops.
John Dramani Mahama, the political point is maybe. Like I was saying, me say national security for Dodo na yakron for. Obu yusu galamsey e de yom hu ye say tam. Dodo na the galamsey yom hu ye say tam from beginning to end. Emma ene ye hia ye say yakwache excavator. Ade be che excavator na ira. Yes, yakwa site we yakwa mining site we baby no wo se de kabra be kona sa baby krono na ni pakro de ni mo hare ni ye penache ni mu nya du ye peno as an scapegoat. Those are the people ye de kabra di won achi ekoko hwe site no na say we are clearing these places, we are clearing this forest na say for those are the places I hwe ye say so akofo do boni mo hare omu nya dru they are obu sa nya party for but omu say chi eden okay it is akofo no de national security for no bi no ya aware of what I'm talking about. Somewhere up in the west, okay, somewhere within this year time na abanania bre says I way or Brahma because na eku Ghana for insuo any asase no asay to the core na ohime to pam free the chrome about the west after night bus after the chrome aba bedun crime akwa national security for office I catch was say me random say yewra John Dramani Mahama say so on pe galamsey dia anya me so asase no ye me dia ma ya ba kwa me ko anya yie because ko kan kofo no say won krata en krata no so ye dia court e ma court declare say asase no ye me ohene edia
I what to me one sase no
see ko mo ni yo
meet you
ye dia court e ma court declare say asase wei AYɛKa ho asɛm ɛyɛ me nana ɛyɛ me dia the me na me kyerɛ nipa obɛyɛ so adwuma even though say asase ne da honom na sɛ gudie hyase a ɛnyɛ obi adea ɛyɛ ɔban adea yɛde hyɛ aban ne nsa and that is what the constitution says sɛ minerals bi kɔhyɛ asase bi ase a sɛ wɔ zuomu sɛ wɔ asase so sɛ wɔ hifo it is vested in the hands of the president in trust of the people of Ghana.
Exactly.
Good. But asase nipa ne ba yɛ no bɛka kyerɛ so asase no ɛyɛ nana dea but agudie hyase nti ɛyɛ aban dea na waban wo aban nipa hɔ no a wo na wo bram wo na wo seɛ wo national security for mo na mo seɛ
sɛ mo fight galamsey ɛna mo
yɛ mo anim hantwo ɛna kukufa krokro the John suban tantantan kronobɔ ɛna aka wɔ no binom ɛna mo de ti wɔ no mo ɛna nipa kro de baayɛ wabawie abɛka kyerɛ sɛ sei na ɛkɔ so ɛna ɔde landmark ne bibia ɛho krata every single documentation ɔde ama mo every single documentation ɔde ama mo afei kɔ wie akyire a national security for ka sɛ ɔmo ni petrol ɔmo ni car ɔmo de kɔ ɛkɔkɔ operation
national security
yes yes I'm saying this mesi me nkɔ baabi a me nkɔ baabi a national security for the say ɔmo ni car
ɔmo ni fuel
ɔmo ni akade a ɔmo de ɛde ɛde akɔ saa site hɔ no mo enti nana no ɛmɔmɔde no on provide bibi fama wɔn na etumi mu a wɔn wɔn adwuma yɛ dɛ
etumi kɔ so ne complain after
yes
ento fuel and national security
ɔmo a wɔn tumi kɔ yɛ wɔn adwuma na ɔmo nyɛ de yie this current administration o John Dramani Mahama personal sɛ madam ika yi o ɛyɛ nana do time o John Dramani Mahama ntumi ɛnyɛ mo wɔn sɛ America Miracles Abuaje is talking ɛnyɛ mo wɔn sɛ Poyando is talking
ɔhene na ɔwɔ issue in the traditional area tutu na namo aba no now ɔhene ne mom na ɛnsan meto fuel
ɔhene ne kɔ hɔ no mo a
national security a moving
national security for say national security mete ha me nkɔ baabi a ɔmo say ɔmo ni akadeɛ a ɔmo de bɛyɛ saa adwuma no ɔmo de bɛkɔ hɔ no mo enti sɛ bɛyɛ a nana no ɛmoa wɔn no mutumi nya de enya akadeɛ because cars ɔmo de bɛkɔ kɔ operation squad no cars na bi di hɔ ebi no mo de kokɔ wo ada operations nti as at that time ɔmo ni cars ɔmo de bɛyɛ operations and I was like really ɛma nana no ɛkɔsane na bosuom nana no ɛkɔsane na bosuom o eti over 20,000 Ghana cedis
ɛde national security
I am telling you me na make us as a muachero I am telling you each year over 20,000 oh w 20,000 say 200 million
yes
at 20 million this is kind of
yes
each year that amount of money until landcruisers mako 10 at the national security for me boa me te ha until landcruisers mako 10 at the national security for
so mo fan ko
because also woni akade yama wakadeɛ ɛde aka ho asa ma ɔka atofu ɔde aka ho di akade bebiem wohia tuo wohia gyan ana wohia dai yama osa akade de se fa kɔ na kokɔ yɛ wadwuma because so woni sa akade no ana before so benya akade no ebi ɛbɛkyɛ ɛbɛkɔ kɔdi akyire nti yeso pɛda nimanim ya enti ɛne boa yɛ ne kokɔ to ase what you come na see
Ethiopia
till from that time about 6 months ago from that time till now your rental car amount your tofu e dey go ho e dey ka ho dey amount and your ordinary car land cruiser and your rented the amount and they oh meba and you central region yeba and you free paper no e won grant ye sa kokofa ba sa kukwasa kokro the jaws
national security and operation
I am telling you this same way me say mo say me say omudi amete ha
ohene ne the locations ne bibia ba
I have a copy of this very particular issue. Me what details of this very particular papers. Me sasu what landmark. Me what everything. And the person I mean, some national security for them kuko boss akron. They know I know. They know I know because some way we see when Zobika say ye declare state of emergency in Nasifwa, and I am happy to give you a reference. Say Year 2 4.
Yeah.
Now no be no more calling for dialogue. I will care anywhere see. He made mention of the fact say one now what tete hanu museni na no see ye di hono kra about 1/3 of the population as at that time omotiti wonu anyone aware galamsey.
Everybody is aware.
Everybody is aware. The national security cannot tell me say somewhere in the upper west upper the west omunim ni pakro ye galamsey wo hono. And it is alleged to say NPP ni nana all year one of the big wins of the NPP guys and an all year it's nana had more betia transportation ma ono ni para for actually aba betia bigger than that it is ade na actually di
the more reason tia omon to be koyo operations no from the time or no
6 months ago
Edisika car home,
yes,
renting cars. All you need no and it's a mobile car a movie to site, right?
Mobile site because probably be there
operations no are taking place. Basically, yentimi anyesa operation.
The funny thing in say yentimi any operation in no. The allegation right now is that nipa na all ye juma was site so no odidi national security for bidi because odo afa chire aba betua sika eso chain na nane de no de ba say obofa ye transportation
for nane de transportation ne fuel
it's
exactly
the point na nane provided every single thing including accommodation.
I see,
including accommodation at my own. So what is the point? It is said that somebody general catch say you declare state of emergency. Yes, I go for you bet me apade because obunim your moka. This same man ebetina radio so ni TV so e catch the Ghana for you na say okọ kejetia okọ the circle no bi koko wia phone na wo ho no mo na so bi koko wia wade wo ho no mo a do you call that place a state of emergency? But you see, I don't blame them. Me start to blame that political appointees now ya for different places. And I will tell you one thing. Yes. Today I will tell you something to shock you. A place called Upper Denchira West, our central region.
Yes. Dunkwa no fin and ya wa Subi is it Akrobiso say Akrebiso. I start to be corrected. That town. National security for ni binom. Eya cromfort to the point to say omutumi eyusu galamsey e de yom ho amakasa mo ho ye. And that's what I am saying it with all authority say national security ni bi afiu say me kana sabenne it is always akukudro da me wo ha the national security wo say
national security the current national security for no binom. And me I will mention names. I don't care because imagine say wo wasase oye krobi so hene
yes
kola me boss bi body sisi ano ona aye hene wo hono mo ene wo gu se bi ye galamsey e wo wasase so a wo se wani nje ho ompe eti wa national security for hono mo say opetumi a ebetumi atu wona free asase so because omo payini nanado opayini George Romani Bahama ekwase galamsey yade a
onso so
obra na nipa krona timi atu anya kukuduo de aba wo office abeka cho say me mpe galamsey e wo me akasa maso ye it mo mo me me tu sa conversation me tu sa galamsey na say emma nipa krono na kade na kesa mo ye e free thing nipa na akasa volunteer e do aba
yes
na na ka botumi abo nipa krono national security for no binom eje sika for TNT. Oh God.
Well, my share miracles abwaje video no na yemra.
Obia eye waste the figure na waterfall dam mu no. Chemicals eye mu ma no. Eno no mo sa edo nu ediane edi. Ye ka aban penifo se yemfa evidence match omo ansa. Omo tu wana mo. We nye MPP ni NDC. We ye man no da achinti. We ye man na pomodin hunti. Ti madaroma. Mo ma yemfa evidence we ni yemfa nkoma aban na aban hu ni yanka chene se yesre no niema ye anano na entumi ankwanti agalamsey na okaseti aye na eno na oya ose ye bonse ma no ye bonse mo ma na eyeyi huntumi nkosoa enye ade a wo kaseti aye anokre ye nyina ye gitum se ye anano no.
It means that Erastus Asaridonko on countless occasions ababa to ho say yenya tax a omuso omu ye NDC fo mo omu koji Cassius wonti ya kasa wonti ye men kase me twantro if you've not heard if you've not heard or unhunu ya men kase me twantro what I say you do not know what I say nti de me pese me ka kire wo nyina ne say e wo say ye yi party sem no sa defend na wo ha say na wo ye boa no fa to nchen na ye mpri nsuo no ye mpri se nsuo no begina ye mpri se ye benya nsuo anom cause water is life. This is what I'm trying to say it. Massa forget me say me can't say yes I have fact. Go to the rural, your friend is saying local government and rural me mouth fact bra chamai me mouth fact go there na check it say ni wa bra I mean me disconnect my account me do my account no call local no call 1957 sa blogger no on the page
ajo afro beba
1957 on the page
yes meba wa we tell me bia no type of comment section NDC for your galamsey and some your galamsey. I want to see the comment section. Yes, no, let me see. Is NDC doing galamsey or they are not doing galamsey? Type at the comment section. After to answer.
What I say? Enti de me pese me kan nyina ne say sa yen no a ye tinchen na ye beso fa na ya sorry pese ye protect the incompetence of ye penning for no. That is my problem. What I say? Yen na just the sense of belonging, just a sense of affiliation. Me MPP ni me NDC ni ntino. Say ye kan say me wo say nyina ye kan ye hu bom na ye tu wan amon. Obi say 8 months a pet, 9 months a pet, and a year, sir. Yes, the year no can tre or so or munja yo. Ye bo mutu jase or muniro or mono ye. This is and you won't here. You don't even know the power that you hold. And to move say anamu party na faili. Na makoti no position. Na fa vicious cycle. Na ye kone ye ba. Na ye wu. Na nu ya Brian. Me ba mame hwe se metimi dia to so a.
Kolebu na omo kano. Even as I can say BM. Those of you are AYɛKa say ye pese aba fix system bi ana omo de aba say oh when oba ye nche no oba nche so na mani na fallacy. You know, a good leader doesn't count his performance based on days. They don't count their performance or their leadership based on this. So you're a good leader, you can use even 1 week to cause a change. It's not about how long you remain in power. And I say and I make my change in maybe you can use 1 week to cause effect. And tell you how long you've been in power. It's about how smart, how intelligent, how Obi got 8 years. 8 years. How many days now person here some what you as of galamsey. Tidam is what now if you're 8 years one siashi.
One siashi 8 years no the kotina fie no anye homework bia. What I say? You know, me there sometimes me I don't blame me politician. I blame you, Cassius. Anyone more I say now, more try to Rome was not built in a day. Rome really galamsey they say that we want the government to take stricter actions. Joseph Yamin, one name by I didn't say Joseph Yamin is involved in galamsey. Why is he not being arrested? Why is he not being arrested? Why are we not adding the intelligence agencies to the fight of galamsey? The willingness in the political willingness in President Trump buy fast. And near man, as I know, okay, your friend is saying executive order.
Okay, say we are so back at you, bro.
Executive order. Papa, no signing here. Papa, no signing here. Papa, no signing here. Oral, and your friend is saying, and then, Fifi Quete catch and say, Most uncle for ya moody friend were high. One in a machine, catty deals for oral or more real minor. One in a machine catty deals. Timon now with a moon, yes, me say 8 years no, 4 years no, a guso eba. But it is quite unfortunate, said the Ghanaian youth is also not ready to change these two parties. Obeka can't den, and now when you be waha, Obeka say you name the hair campo, need the can count. Sometimes it's even difficult to even speak about your own country. Cause all can seminar me can neno and rana me can be all cashiers no more can you came and more fire MPP4 and MPP4 and MPP4 Professor Frimpong Boating the report or or indictee monsu NDC phobi. Namoka home.
That's it. It's me ba make we na yema obimbram.